Hello and happy new year. If you are new to this channel, my name is Shae. I create and upload videos about locks and home decor and lifestyle and some healthy eating. So if that is your jam, then subscribe to this channel because I upload on a regular basis. Today's video, though, is a look at my year 2, not 4, but year 2 lock journey. So I've already recorded a video on my first year. So if you haven't already watched that, I'll link it below and I'll link it above so that you can see that. But yeah, just creating this video, it was nice for me to be able to look back and see where I'd come from and where I am now. So it was really good. It was really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and here we go. Okay, so here we are at 13 months. I am wearing a 2-strand twist, so I would just kind of twist my hair and let it out. This is 14 months. This is my birthday. I remember this. My husband and I, we went down to Temecula for my birthday, and we did like a little wine tasting. Here we are at 15 months. Took a quick picture at work one morning. We're still 15 months here, and as you can see, the 2-strand twists are my signature do. So I've twisted it all up, as you can see. I'm like looking in the mirror as I'm recording. Hold on, let me turn to the back so you can see. Hopefully you can see that. All right. Got rubber bands on all of it. My hair is not long enough, of course, for me to wear. Like, I'm gonna take this out tomorrow, and then but today, while it's drying, I have some errands to run, so I'm gonna put it under a turban or something. I'll show you guys. So here is that turban that I was telling you guys about. I had a really good time during this period playing around with like little turbans and scarves. Now we are at 16 months and my locks are coming into their own. Here's a photo of me with them straight, which I rarely did. You guys know I really don't wear my locks straight. And then here's another photo. Oh my gosh, my hair is very dirty. I need to wash it. Last night I didn't twist it at all, put the bonnet on, went to sleep. But I kind of like the fullness. I mentioned that before. I like how it's like thick. It still has some loose waves in it. So I think in the future, I'll be doing more of that, like not retwisting it at night, just putting the bonnet on and going to sleep. So anyway, as I'm editing this video, I'm realizing that the 2-strand twist was my go-to style for a long time. My go-to style right now are the braid locks, which seems like I've been doing them forever, but I really haven't. You'll see coming up soon when I actually started the braid locks. All right, so now we are getting into month 17. My hair is straight once again. Here I have a 2-strand twist style. But yeah, like I said, they were really coming into their own. Very thick, very full. We're moving on to month 18. I don't have a lot of pictures for 18. I remember being super busy during this time. Anyway, I just pull my hair back with a little headband on it. Now we are moving on to month 19. Still 2-strand twisting. And then I decided to part my hair on the side. I thought I was going to like it, but I realized it wasn't long enough for me yet. So I moved back to my part down the middle. Good morning. So, new day. I just wanted to come in and talk about like dryness a little bit. So my scalp had been really dry. I don't know if it's because I'm at home. Some nights I wrap it, some nights I don't. and I wasn't oiling it every day. I don't know, but I do notice that Carol's daughter, it seemed to have worked. Like I don't have like I don't have that much dryness anymore at the top. Like it was really like white snow looking thing. So I can say that that's a positive about it. Okay, guys, so this is when COVID had first started, and this is when the stay-at-home order went into effect. So I was being kind of free with my locks. I wasn't wrapping them every night, and as a result, I had experienced some dryness. Now we are moving on to 20 months locks still, full, which I love, getting some real hang time now. And then this is when I started to pineapple my locks. Good morning. So something that I've been trying during this time is, and I'm about what, 20 months locked or so, 21, is pineappling. So it's the morning time now, but at night what I'll do is just take my headscarf. My headscarf is on. I'll take it off in a minute. But I'll just go over with my headscarf like this. Hopefully you can still see me. Locks are up, and then I just tie it. All right, so that's that. I sleep like that, well, like that. Now in the morning, I take them down and I shake them out. And my hair is almost about a week old at this point, but I'm just taking them down, shaking them out. And I noticed, because as you guys know, I always do like the 2-strand twist on my locks, but I noticed this kind of holds the wave a little more. So yep, it held the wave a little more. I didn't have to 2-strand twist it at night as I did previously. Then I also started to play with hats, accessories. This is a men's hat. You have to get them large if you have locks. Then we are moving on to 21 months locked. I think I started braiding my locks then. Yeah. And then, just trying little cute hairstyles. And then we are moving on to 22 months locked. Ponytail in the back, which I really loved. My locks straight once again. We were doing swimming lessons at that time, I remember. So I was washing my hair kind of frequent. And then on to 23 locks. Yeah, I had braided them then. You can tell because the pattern is tighter. And I start to explain it here for you. Good morning. So I am really liking the braid locks. I'm just oiling my hair. I put some Carol's daughter in my hand and I'm just oiling it. But anyway, this is day 2. Yesterday, I took them down, didn't go anywhere except the park. And then last night, pineappled them, and now they're down. I was gonna braid them again last night, but I was too tired, so I just put them up in a pineapple. And I have a video about that if you don't know what I'm talking about. And then just took them down this morning. All right, now we are moving on to 24 months. So I made it to 2 years. Playing around with the little top knot hairdo. I got my fresh pomegranate juice right there. Now it's still COVID. I'm still braiding my locks and pulling them back. Here is me after I had my LASIK surgery. I have a video on that as well if you want to see. Still rocking the braid locks. Yes, this is my 2-year 24-month 2-year lock update. So I feel like I say the same thing every video, but you know what, it may be some new people who haven't seen me before. So my lock maintenance is very what's the word, low maintenance. That's what I wanted to say. Low maintenance. So my lock maintenance is very low maintenance. I'll say that. So that was it. Year 2. I hope you really enjoyed that video. I encourage you, if you are on a lock journey yourself, even if you don't do YouTube videos, just document your journey. It's gonna be great for you to go back and look and see where you started and where you are at the current moment. You know, some days we go in and we feel like, oh my gosh, are my locks growing? Like, what are they doing? But they actually are. They actually are growing. From the beginning of 2020 until now, I can see a lot of growth in my hair, and it's just really encouraging to be able to go back and look at the videos and pictures as well. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Let me know if you are documenting your journey as well. Even if you don't create YouTube videos, let me know if you document your journey below, okay? And I will see you in the next video.